Tired of complicated and expensive international money transfers? Let's learn how to send money from the USA to Bangladesh quickly and easily using Taptap. First things first, download and install the Taptap app from the App Store on your phone. Open the app, and if you don't have an account yet, tap on Sign Up, provide your phone number, create a password, and fill in the required personal information. If you already have an account, tap Login and enter your credentials. Once logged in, tap Send Money. You'll now select the country you're sending money to, which in this case is Bangladesh. Next, choose Bangladesh from the list of available countries. You will then select your preferred method of sending. We'll choose bank deposit first. Now type in the recipient's bank name, their account number, and full name, making sure everything is accurate. You can easily add more receivers through the Add Recipient option. Enter the amount of money you wish to send. In US dollars, the app will automatically show you the equivalent amount in Bangladeshi taka, based on the current exchange rate. Choose your preferred payment method. You can pay with a debit or credit card, or even with a bank transfer. If you are paying with a card, enter your card details and billing address. Review all the details of the transaction to make sure everything is correct. If everything looks good, tap Confirm to send the money. Congratulations! Your money transfer is complete. Once you see a confirmation message, the recipient should receive the funds shortly. And you can even track the transfer status within the app. Sending money to Bangladesh just got a whole lot easier with Taptap. #TaptapUSA #TaptapBD.